Most budgets fail, not because you're bad with money, but because most budgeting systems are unrealistic. Spreadsheets look perfect, apps look smart, but real life is messy. In this video, you'll learn a budget system that actually works in real life. Simple, automatic, human, no guilt, no obsession, just control. Traditional budgets assume you're a robot. They expect you to track every coffee, every subscription, every impulse purchase. But humans don't work like that. We get tired. We forget. We make emotional decisions. Most budgets fail because they rely on perfect behavior. They treat spending like a math problem. But money is psychology. Another problem. Traditional budgets are too strict. When people break the budget once, they quit completely. It feels like failure. So they stop tracking. A system that collapses after one mistake is not a system. It's a fantasy. You can't control what you don't see. Before changing anything, you need awareness. For 30 days, don't try to save money. Just track where it goes. Every dollar tells a story. Rent, food, subscriptions, impulse buys. Most people are shocked by their own spending patterns. Awareness creates friction, and friction changes behavior. This is the first step. Not control, not discipline, just visibility. Here's the core rule. Pay yourself first. Before rent, before bills, before entertainment. The moment your paycheck arrives, a percentage goes directly to savings or investing. You never see it. You never touch it. This flips the traditional budget upside down. Instead of saving what's left, you spend what's left. Even 5% matters. Consistency beats perfection. This system works because it removes decisions. No daily willpower, no monthly guilt, just automatic progress. Willpower is a terrible financial strategy. You will be tired. You will be emotional. You will forget. Automation doesn't forget. Set automatic transfers, automatic bill payments, automatic investments. Your system should run while you sleep. Think of money like software. Design the code once. Let it run forever. Most wealthy people are not disciplined every day. They are disciplined once. A budget that forbids everything will fail. You need rules that feel human. For example, the 50-30-20th rule. 50% needs, 30% wants, 20% savings, or a fixed, fun money allowance. Spend it guilt-free. The goal is not perfection. The goal is sustainability. A budget that you follow imperfectly is better than a perfect budget you quit. The best budget system is simple. Awareness. Pay yourself first. Automate everything. Allow realistic spending. Money systems beat motivation. Every time. If you want more simple financial literacy lessons, subscribe to Mr. Ledger. No hype, no gurus, just money, explained clearly.